Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to buy XRP Trust Wallet, easy method. Open Trust Wallet and ensure you have the latest update, then locate XRP in the wallet token list and enable it. Next, link a supported exchange or use a swap service inside Trust Wallet. Always double-check the destination address and network before sending funds. Keep a small test transfer to confirm everything works before moving larger amounts for safety and peace of mind. Start by selecting an on-ramp, bank transfer, debit card, or a third-party swap service that supports XRP. If your local exchange lacks an XRP pair, purchase UST or USK first and trade for XRP. Confirm fees and network compatibility. Pick the lowest safe fee option. Transfer only a small amount first to test the route. Store recovery phrase securely and never share it with anyone to protect your funds. After buying XRP on an exchange, find your Trust Wallet XRP address and copy it exactly, including any destination tag required by the exchange. Paste it into the exchange withdrawal fields and confirm all details match. Start with a small withdrawal to verify the process and speed. Once the test arrives, send the remaining balance. Monitor transaction status and keep your seed phrase offline and secure to ensure full control.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.